Hey guys, welcome back to Landscape Alert, where this week we are going to be designing this front yard right here. And I'll be putting a bit of footage of the end result, and I will show you how I designed it, things that I was looking for, and why we did it the way we did it. At the same time, if you want to use this for your own house, front yard, or backyard, you can definitely do so. If you are new to this channel, the idea behind this channel is to help you design a better outdoor living space for your friends, yourselves, and your loved ones. So, with that being said, let's get to the design. Now that we have all that out of the way, let's get to some of the measurements that I'm using here in basing this design off. I should say though, this case I am using the Concepts apps that you can download on your Android, your iPhone, or PC. Actually, Windows, not sure if it's tablets, but anyways, that's besides the point. So I am using that app, and I will tell you that for this room that is next to the patio, that room itself is 15 feet across, and right next to it from the corner of the house to the property, there's 5 feet. On the opposite side, there is a bit of a gap of 2 feet. Then we kind of go down to 6 feet, 6 feet again towards the garage and driveway. And then from that area of the concrete all the way to the sidewalk, that is 15 feet. And from the front of the house, this area we're working are 27 across. So that is our area that we are going to be focusing on. So I should say that in this case, the homeowners want to focus a patio. So if they were to be outside, say drinking a coffee or maybe having some friends over, conversation with the neighbors, they can have an area where they can enjoy, just them being outside. This patio was built with cinder block to raise it up in terms of a level to make it nice for anybody to walk on. And the surface material is porcelain tile. And the outer belt was 3 inches and by 9 pavers in the color of gray. And this matches the house scheme colors, which is going to be more on the whites and grays, which turn out really nice. I don't have a drone footage of it yet, but I will definitely get some and we'll put it in my next video. But that's kind of the focus of this front yard for this specific patio, especially if inside of the house, that room that I spoke about earlier, that is an office where they can see what's going on in the front of the house, and also if they have friends that can kind of be there, it just makes it work a little better for them in their case. Now if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. So now that we kind of have that area out of the way, we also did a driver bed with 6 to 12 inch cobblestone because there is a gutter that comes down that gets a lot of water, and this is going to be a functional driver bed. Now if you are thinking about doing a driver bed for yourself, I have a video that you can click on and you can check out some of the ideas that you should be thinking about when installing your own. Different materials out there, so there's not one specific one. I like using river rock of 6 to 12 for the most part, but I've also done some granites. Anyways, that's what we're doing in this specific design. We also did an area of mulch in an oval shape that was divided by this dry rubber bed. At the same time, other materials that we use here were some granites, specifically talking about the gray granites for the boulders, the accent boulders, and then some 3/4 inch granites for both sides of the dry rubber bed. One was more pink with black, and the other one was more gray with white because we wanted more colors for the area. This is a xeriscape front yard, so just so you know, this is an area where it's going to be more efficient with the watering, especially if they don't want to do a lot of maintenance for the front yard. Now in the mulch area, there are different kinds of shrubs. I mentioned before that it will depend on where you live and what you want to use, so I'm not really going to tell you what to do in your own yard, but definitely keep in mind where this is facing. I should say that in this house, this is the north side of the house, so there's going to be a lot less sun. Now Now, where the area of the mulch is far away from the house where it's going to get a decent amount of sun throughout the year, even in the winter time. So keep those things in mind, especially if you are doing your own yard and there's a lot of sun that you're going to get. Make sure that you are using shrubs that like a lot of sun. Now, I did put some trees. This was a baby blue ice, not to be confused with the baby blue, sort of similar in terms of look, especially at the beginning, but they definitely grow a little different. Also, upright juniper, Wichita juniper, for more color and texture, and also a small globe spruce, going back to the whole evergreen theme. But overall, this is the design that I want to focus on. It's not very complex, and I should also add there's some stepping stones, and there will be a bridge here, a wood bridge, but it's not super complex in terms of the view. It's not very crowded, over saturated. There's enough of color and textures, and also growth for the perennials that we put in this area, which is what I like doing. That it kind of has a theme and a look that flows with the house. What do you guys think about this? Is this something that you would use in your own house? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you are using for your own designs, in terms of programs and also materials. I'll let you know. And you can also tag us over on Instagram, over on Landscape Alert, and also on TikTok, where we're doing videos, again, more to show you different little tricks, designs, and maybe some hacks, especially in the design department, because I believe that if you are able to have an idea where to start, you can actually accomplish it, how you are envisioning it. Our saying here is dream, design, create. Don't forget to leave us a like, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.